drought, but we've seen more extreme drought and more extreme wet periods too. This goes back to 1895, and we see a good balance between dry periods and wet periods. However, if you look at the intensity of the reds on the upper part of the chart or the intensity of the blues on the bottom part of the chart, you'll see them getting more intense, those colors, as you go from left to right here, especially with the drought we had in 2024 into early 2025, which prompted a drought warning by the state. They set the policy, and we were in an extreme drought, or a level 3 of 4 drought, by the United States Drought Monitor. When it comes to precipitation, it looks a little more muddled, a little more hanging around that black line, that 1895 to 2024 average. However, we actually have seen more rainfall in recent decades here across the area. Not by much, but by a noticeable amount still. Snowfall, this is for Newark. And this goes back to the mid 1800s here. We have data back to then, and that's why I'm using this. And you see a long decline downward. In the mid to late 1800s, you could expect about 75% more snow than what we see now in Newark. And this is true for a number of different locations across New Jersey. We have, since 2000, seen a little bit of a gain in snowfall,